call State Chemical and get some information on pit radar. It's been really valuable for us in reducing sulfides in force mains. I'm Dale Williams. I'm the plant manager, wastewater plant manager at the Municipal Utility Board wastewater plant in Albertville, Alabama. We're in northeast Alabama between Huntsville and Birmingham. We have at our treatment plant, we have a 60% industrial base that we see a lot of odor complaints that come out of that as far as the wastewater discharge. We're further processing with batter and breading products that create hydrogen sulfide in our gravity sewers, and we've used pit radar treatments that could help reduce those, and we saw it go from over 1,000 in one force main to down to less than 50. In the past, we've used other chemicals that did not have results or was cost prohibitive to us to use, and just didn't see the result. State Chemical always been there to get on top of any problems we've had with either the ordering the chemicals or the pumping scenarios to help set up how we need to dose pump on gallons per day to get where we need. We started adding the line Bac'r at our Headworks. Along with the industrial base too, we see a lot of the FOGs, the fats, oils, and greases, and some odors at our lift stations. So we add the line Bac'r, helps with a little bit of the odor, but also getting some treatment into that mixing and system that we have at our Headworks. We also do air care for offices. It's the larger cube. We do our main office area that customers come in and pay. We treat that area, and then we have some small cubes set up in restroom areas and just common areas around the offices at the plant, and some other chemicals, lubricants. If another plant manager would ask me, I would tell them to contact State Chemical to inquire about pit radar for their force mains and hydrogen sulfide reduction. It's a great chemical, and we've had great results.